Ground cover plants are often the quiet heroes of a well-designed garden. They fill empty spaces, suppress weeds, and create a lush, finished look without demanding constant attention. In this video, we're exploring 7 ground cover cultivars you'll start seeing more of in 2026, perfect for building a cleaner, fuller landscape. Number 1. Lithodora Grace Ward. Lithodora Grace Ward is a stunning, low-growing ground cover known for its intense blue, star-shaped flowers. The blooms appear in spring and create a striking contrast against the plant's deep green foliage. Its compact, spreading habit makes it ideal for forming a dense, colorful carpet. This plant performs best in well-drained soil and sunny conditions, where it can spread steadily without becoming invasive. Once established, it requires very little maintenance and holds its shape beautifully throughout the season. Its evergreen foliage also helps maintain structure even when it's not in bloom. Instead of planting it randomly, Lithodora works best along slopes, edges, or raised beds, where its trailing growth can spill naturally. In these positions, it creates a soft, flowing ground cover effect that instantly elevates the overall garden design. Number 2. Phlox subulata Spring Bling Pink. Phlox Spring Bling Pink is a classic creeping phlox cultivar that delivers a vibrant carpet of color in early spring. Its bright pink flowers completely cover the plant, creating a dense blanket of blooms that can transform garden edges and slopes. The needle-like foliage stays low and compact, forming a neat base throughout the year. This cultivar is valued for its reliability and ease of care. It thrives in full sun and well-drained soil, and once established, it spreads steadily without needing much attention. It's also highly effective at suppressing weeds thanks to its dense growth habit. For best results, plant creeping phlox in areas where it can cascade slightly, such as along borders, rock gardens, or retaining walls. This allows the flowers to create a natural, flowing effect that looks both intentional and effortless. Number 3. Mazus reptans Alba. Mazus reptans Alba is a fast-spreading ground cover that produces delicate white flowers over a dense green mat. The small blooms appear in late spring and add a soft, clean look to garden borders. Its low profile makes it especially useful for filling tight spaces. One of the reasons Mazus is so popular is its ability to establish quickly and fill gaps with minimal care. It tolerates light foot traffic and adapts well to slightly moist soil, making it more versatile than many other ground covers. Once it settles in, it forms a thick carpet that helps keep weeds under control. Mazus works best between stepping stones, along pathways, or in low border edges where a tight ground cover is needed. In these areas, it creates a smooth, continuous surface that ties the whole garden together. Number 4. Ajuga Burgundy Glow. Ajuga Burgundy Glow is a striking ground cover known for its variegated foliage in shades of green, cream, and burgundy. Even without flowers, the colorful leaves create a rich, textured carpet that adds visual interest to the garden. In spring, spikes of blue flowers rise above the foliage, adding an extra layer of beauty. This plant is especially valued for its ability to spread and form dense mats with very little effort. It adapts well to both sun and partial shade and helps suppress weeds naturally once established. With minimal maintenance, it quickly fills in empty spaces and creates a cohesive look in the landscape. Ajuga works best in shaded borders, under shrubs, or in areas where you want a low-maintenance ground cover that still feels decorative. Its bold foliage makes it an excellent contrast to solid green plants, helping create a more dynamic and layered garden design. Number 5. Sedum spurium dragon's blood. Sedum dragon's blood is a tough, low-growing ground cover that brings both texture and color to the garden. Its fleshy leaves form a dense mat that changes tones throughout the season, often developing reddish hues that add warmth to the landscape. In summer, clusters of deep pink flowers appear, creating a soft contrast against the foliage. One of the biggest advantages of this sedum is its incredible resilience. It thrives in full sun, tolerates drought, and grows well in poor, rocky soil where many other plants struggle. Once established, it requires almost no maintenance and continues spreading steadily. For best results, plant dragon's blood in dry, sunny areas such as rock gardens, slopes, or border edges. In these conditions, it forms a durable ground cover that looks good year-round while requiring very little care. Number 6. Thymus Pink Chintz. Thymus Pink Chintz is a charming creeping thyme that combines beauty with practicality. Its tiny, aromatic leaves form a low mat of greenery, and in early summer, soft pink flowers cover the plant in a delicate blanket of color. The overall effect is light, airy, and very natural looking. This cultivar is highly valued for its low-maintenance nature and ability to thrive in tough conditions. It prefers full sun and well-drained soil and is extremely drought-tolerant once established. It also releases a pleasant fragrance when stepped on, adding an extra sensory element to the garden. Creeping thyme works beautifully between stepping stones, along pathways, or in sunny border edges. In these areas, it creates a soft, walkable ground cover that enhances both the look and experience of the garden. Number 7. Veronica umbrosa Georgia Blue. Veronica Georgia Blue is a versatile ground cover that offers both evergreen foliage and vibrant seasonal color. In early spring, it produces masses of bright blue flowers that spread across the plant like a carpet, creating a striking visual display. The rich green foliage remains attractive throughout the year. This plant is appreciated for its adaptability and steady growth habit. It spreads gradually without becoming invasive and performs well in both sun and partial shade. With very little maintenance, it forms a tidy ground cover that keeps borders looking clean and finished. In the landscape, Georgia Blue works well along the front of borders, under shrubs, or in mixed plantings where a low, spreading layer is needed. It helps tie different elements of the garden together while adding a fresh burst of color in early spring. Ground cover plants like these can completely transform the look of your garden by filling gaps and creating a lush, finished landscape. With the right choices, you can build a low-maintenance garden that still looks full, structured, and visually appealing. If you enjoyed this list, don't forget to like, subscribe,